In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in MetaTrader 5 and explain how it works. Once you open up MetaTrader 5, then you will need to go into settings. You will click on the settings icon found in the bottom right corner, and then you will need to select new account. Here, you will need to search for your broker, whichever platform you're using to trade. For example, I will do Vantage here. Click on Vantage or whichever broker you use, and you will need to connect it to a real or live account. Here from the server section, you will connect it to your live account, and you will need to sign into your, in this case, Vantage account or whichever broker you use, like I said previously. Once you sign into your account, then you will click on sign in at the bottom, and this is going to connect your real Vantage account or whichever broker you use to MetaTrader 5. Now, how can we deposit money now? In order to deposit money into MetaTrader 5, quote unquote, you will need to open up that specific platform's app. So here, in order to deposit money into MetaTrader 5, you will need to deposit money into the broker which you use to trade. So like I said, here I just opened up Vantage. I will click on deposit, and once you go through that specific broker's deposit process, then you will be able to access your funds on MetaTrader 5. And that is how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.